Hello, welcome to AutoCAD Floor Plan course. This course is for inspiring architects, civil engineers, or anyone who has interest in this CAD tool. After completing this course, you will learn how to create detailed architectural floor plans using different tools and techniques inside AutoCAD. After going through all the video lectures, you will have clear understanding about AutoCAD user interface, create and modify panel tools, layered techniques, block features, plotting and printing processes, and much more. We had divided this complete floor plan course into 11 number of video lectures. Each lecture is important and you will learn new tool in every lectures. I am Prashant Kumar, a graduate mechanical engineer working as a full-time freelance CAD designer and trainer. I will be the host for this complete AutoCAD floor plan course. If you have any doubts about this complete course, you can leave your comments below. I also recommend you to download the floor plan resources from the description below, so you can follow along and learn maximum out of this complete course. After completing this complete course, you will get a digital certificate that will validate your learning from this course. So let's jump into AutoCAD and start learning.